I'm Dr. Evelyn Jagpat, and welcome to Keys to Love. I was sitting with a client the other day, and this person looked at me, and I could see there was sadness and fear in this person's eyes. And I said, "What is it that you're thinking about?" Do you know what she said to me? She said, "What if I come before God and He shows me this picture of my life, of this beautiful life that I was supposed to have? What if He shows me that I could have the very things that I feared that I would never have in my life, such as a beautiful home, a husband who loved me, children, a job that was fulfilling, abundance and health? What if He showed me that I could have the dreams of my heart and the love that I've always wanted to receive and have been so afraid that I would never have? And to be honest, that I, kind of gave up on, that I didn't think I could have, that I wasn't good enough to have, that it was too late, that I'd done too much or I'd gone the wrong way. What if He shows me that all of that, Dr. Jagpat, could have been mine? That might be a question that you have on your mind or that's resting on your heart right now. Certainly, at some point in my life, I've seen that as an obstacle as well. I've thought that I couldn't have the deepest desires and longings of my heart. I thought it was too late, that it was over, and I had to close the doors on those dreams and walk away. Well, God says, "Seek and you will find." In Matthew 7, we're told, "Seek me. Whoever seeks will find." That is your answer for lost hope and broken dreams or forfeited dreams you've given up on in life. Yes, God says, "Seek and you will find. You will find me. Come to me. I have something for you to receive, something beautiful and something good." You don't have to give up on hope. You don't have to give up on the things that you desire in your heart, because I'm the one who's put that desire in you. I'm the one who says, "Dream again." I'm the one who says, "Open your heart to receive everything that I have for you." See, the meaning is that God has stuff for you, good stuff. Yes, the thing you've been longing for might be the very thing He's put in your heart, because He wants you to know that He has it for you. You don't have to wait for some miracle to happen. He's saying, "Seek me. Seek me first. Come to me. I am going to offer it to you just for the receiving, just for the having. Seek me. I've got what you need, and I want to give it to you. And I'm going to show you how to receive what I've got. The good things in life, the dreams that you thought you would never live." That's His answer for you today. Dream a sweet dream again, and know that you don't have to wait until the end of your life to see some picture of what could have been. You can live what God intends for you, your God-ordained destiny of a good life with good things, with blessings, and fulfilled dreams right now, starting today. Glory to God for all things. You have a blessed day.